Ow! Why did you throw that? Why did you throw that?
Wait, that's just not a flying shoe. That right there is projectile motion.
Projectile motion? What's that?
Let's take this shoe and use it to explain one of the coolest concepts in physics. Projectile motion is the curved path that an object follows when it is thrown, launched, or projected into the air.
In this case, our object is a shoe. Oh!
The shape it follows is called a parabola. It goes up and then down. This motion happens because two things are working at the same time.
Firstly, the horizontal motion, which is the forward direction, and then the vertical motion, which is the up and down part.
Put those two together and boom, you've got projectile motion, just like this flying shoe.
Oh!
Let's finally solve the mystery of the flying shoe. Let's say I throw this shoe at a speed of 15 meters per second at an angle of 45 degrees. Now we're going to find three things: how long the shoe stays in the air, how high it goes, how far it travels before hitting the ground.
First up is the time of flight, or how long the shoe was in the air.
So to solve it, we use the formula
Times equals 2 times velocity times sine of theta divided by gravity. But don't panic. Here's what it means. Velocity, or V, is equals to 15. And that's how fast we threw the shoe. Next is theta, is equals to 45 degrees. And G, or gravity, is equals to 9.8. And yes, we're using saw from SOHCAHTOA, which means sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. So when we use sin of 45 degrees angle, it equals to 0.707. Oh!
So to solve this, we use the formula time is equals to 2 times 15 times 0.707 over 9.8, which is equals to 2.16 seconds. So the shoe stays in the air for 2.16 seconds.
Next, let's find the maximum height, or how high the shoe goes. To do this, we use the formula that involves the square of the velocity, the square of the sine of the angle, and the acceleration due to the gravity. In this case, the square of the velocity is 225, the square of the sine of 45 degrees is 0.5, and the acceleration due to gravity is 9.8. When you multiply 225 by 0.5 and divide the result by 2 times 9.8, you get approximately 5.74 meters. So, the shoe flies up to a maximum height of 5.74 meters.
Oh!
And for the last one, let's find the range and how far the shoe flies. So to do this, we use the formula of getting the range. 225.1 over 9.8 is equals to 22.96 meters. So the shoe lands 22.96 meters away from the thrower.
Oh!
So just by throwing the shoe, we use SOHCAHTOA. Plug in some numbers, and boom, we solved the flight.
Oh! Why did you throw that?